Hi, today I'm going to make a simple braid out of my homemade play clay. I think it would be a good lesson for some kids, especially who are younger, and it's just another method and technique you can use with your clay. So I've got three different colors here. I like using different colors of the clay to make different things, and what I did is I've actually got the snake that I saved from a different video. I'm rolling out my clay into long coils, and rolling out coils is a good thing to practice too. All of this adds to fine motor skills, and it's a great way to pass the time. All right, so I've got my one here. I'm going to roll you out a little bit skinnier. Sorry, little snake. There we go. And another one here. I always squeeze it into a long, even coil first with my hands and then roll it. All right, so I'm going to line these up nicely together. And when you braid, you always go from the outside in, outside in. All right, so right side to the inside, and then switch over to the left side and bring it in. Now back to the right side and bring it in. And then the left side and bring it in. So if you're doing crafts or if you're braiding hair, this is a really good skill to know. Always from the outside, bring it in, switching from opposite sides each time you bring it into the center. Yeah, just a quick little lesson, and it's something that you could turn into a fun little spring looking wreath and maybe add some flowers to it. Curl this up on the end. All right, well, thanks for watching.